Hello friends, I, Deepika Shrivastava, Assistant Professor in Department of BTech Computer Science from Biani Group of Colleges, Kalwar. I am here to deliver a lecture on Basics of Operating System from the subject Operating System. So here we go. First of all, we will discuss what is operating system. Operating system is basically a collection of programs, that is, it is a software. It is a software which acts as an intermediary between a computer user and its hardware. I mean to say, it acts as an interface. As an interface, those programs collaboratively acts as interface between users and computer hardware. So that users can use the computer hardware very easily. We can say operating system is a governing body. Governing body means it supervises each and every activity of a system. Operating system, it acts as resource allocator as well. Next, the concepts come functionality of operating system. Before that, we will see the architecture where the operating system actually resides in memory. Here comes the architecture. What's this? This is a main memory. Operating system resides in the upper portion of main memory, which is actually 1/4 of whole main memory, and remaining 3/4 memory is occupied by equally sized blocks of memory where the user programs reside. Here the programs with priority are residing, whereas here the user programs will reside. Okay, moving on to this architecture, we have application, hardware, and between connecting them we have operating system, which makes hardware and applications to get interacted. Now we will talk about functionalities of operating system. First of all, process management. Creation, maintenance, deletion, everything comes under process management. Similarly, device management. Each and every peripheral attached to a system comes under device management. This is also the responsibility of operating system. Next is file management. Creation of file, deletion of file, searching of file, everything is the responsibility of operating system. Last is memory management. Memory allocation, memory reallocation, everything comes under memory management. Goals of operating system. There are basically two goals of operating system. These are convenience and efficiency. Convenience so that we could use it very easily. For convenience, the operating system design is like Windows, which is used by laymen like us, so that we can use it very easily. Another goal of operating system is efficiency. Efficiency for the systems which need stability, like the programs running for 365 days want the operating system to have more efficiency, and those systems are like Unix, in which a program can run for around 365 days. So both goals, I repeat once again: convenience, Windows operating system, and efficiency, Unix operating system. Okay, now we will talk about the generations of operating system. First of all, sequential operating systems. Sequentials like punch cards, card readers, likewise. Those sort of operating systems were like only one process at a time enters the main memory, gets processed. But in this process, we can notice the computer sits idle. It has nothing to do. Like if one process is working inside the main memory, so during the input-output, the CPU will sit idle. So in that case, we came into batch operating system. Batch operating system, what it basically does is, it takes the programs having common functions to do. Like we'll take some set of programs which have some common functions to do. Those functions are grouped into a batch and togetherly sent into the main memory, so that there they will get processed and CPU will comparatively not sit idle. Next is multiprogramming. This is the best concept OS has ever introduced. Multiprogramming will explain with the help of this diagram. Before, the memory was not divided into such blocks, but now as multiprogramming is introduced, the memory is divided into equally sized blocks, where like if there are n number of blocks, n processes could reside in main memory. Number 1, number 2, likewise n processes can simultaneously reside in main memory and get executed, so that the CPU will not sit idle at all, because if one process is under process, another one is in the queue. So computer will not get rest, CPU will not get rest, and it will continuously work. So we will have best of CPU utilization. Last is real-time operating system. Real-time operating systems are strictly time bound. We will say like real-time operating systems are categorized into two types, which are soft real-times and hard real-time systems. Soft real-times, we can say a delay of 1 second, 1 second is tolerable. Like in case of banking systems, if we do a withdrawal, then it is to be taken into account. It takes 1 second, it's okay, it's bearable. But in case of hard real-time systems, like launching of missiles, it can't tolerate a single nanoseconds even. So hard real-time operating system, a delay of 1 nanosecond is even not tolerable. It should be on time. That is all with the basics of operating system. Thank you very much for watching my lecture. And if you need more information regarding this topic, you can please visit our website www.gurukpo.com. Thank you.